Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the lecture of computer for class 8 and our additional questions which I have provided you on notes and we have discussed in our previous lecture interpreter and compiler. What is compiler? Compiler is I told you, compiler is a type of language processor that converts the high level language into low level language, that convert the high level language into low level language, because the computer doesn't understand high level language, computer doesn't understand our language, and if any error is found, the program has to recompile again because it translates into low level language in one go. And if any error is found, the program has to recompile again. And interpreter is also a type of language processor that translate the high level language program to line by line. And if any error is found in any line, it is reported to the user and the execution of the program is stopped. Okay, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? We have discussed in our previous topic. And today's question is question number 41. What are operators? Operators are symbols that indicate the type of operation to be performed on the data. For performing any operation on the computer, for example, for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and for putting signs and calculation of the data performing on the computer, these are called operators. And what are operators? There are three common types of Operators are symbols which used to indicate the type of operation to be performed on the data, for performing any data for the calculation on the computer. And there are three types of operator. Arithmetic operators, three common types: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, and relational operators. Relational operators. And what is the difference between arithmetic operators, assignment operators, and relational operators? Arithmetic operators, what are? Arithmetic operators are used for doing calculation in addition. Arithmetic operators. For using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on the computer, which operators we use? Arithmetic operators. Next are assignment operators. Assignment operators are used for checking this is equal, this value is equal or not. assignment operator used for equal or not. For example, as x is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 6, etc. And next are relational operators. Relational operators are used. Relational operators are used for checking the data. Values are greater, smaller, greater or equal, smaller or equal. For example, 6 greater than 8, 5 is smaller than 10. These are the types of operators. Next, we will discuss our question number 42. Our question number 42 is, what is spreadsheet? What is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a program. Spreadsheet is a program that is used in software, Microsoft Excel, that we use for keeping records of our data, and our record can be stored in rows and columns, and data can easily entered, modified and deleted from it. What is our spreadsheet? That is our spreadsheet that we use for enter data in rows and columns, and it stores and presents data in rows and columns, and data can easily be entered, modified and deleted from it. Okay, that is our spreadsheet. If you need to write any data in rows and columns, so you will write your spreadsheet in that is used in MS Excel. MS Excel is a software, and you will use your spreadsheet for entering that data in the computer. Next, question number 43. Write the purpose of spreadsheet. What is the purpose of spreadsheet? Spreadsheets are used for different purposes, like spreadsheet is used in computer for accounting, budgeting, charting and scientific applications. Accounting means our data which we use in our businesses, and the records of our transaction. And budgeting, if we wanna calculate our budget, that we use in computer, and spreadsheet we will use. And for charting, for entering any data in charts, we use spreadsheet, and spreadsheet used for scientific applications also. And spreadsheet is used, why spreadsheet is used? Spreadsheet is used to maintain data. Spreadsheet is used, why we use spreadsheet? Uses of spreadsheet maintain data in tabular form, for example in rows and columns, and calculate data by using functions and formula. We can calculate data in spreadsheet by using any function which we wanna use, and any formula. We can apply any formula in spreadsheet, and we can calculate our calculations. We can calculate our data. Students, today our topic was operators. Operators are used to indicate the type of data in arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and assignment operators for using is equal or not, and relational operators, greater, smaller, greater or equal, smaller or equal. These are were our relational operators, and these are our operators. And we have discussed what is spreadsheet, why we use spreadsheet in computer. And spreadsheet used for enter data in rows and columns, and for calculation of data by using any formula, etc. And spreadsheet used in MS Excel, that is a software in computer. Okay students, today's lecture is enough. Allah Hafiz.